Godin, and welcome to Me in the Rain. Apologies for not being many films for the past couple of months. It's because I've been adventuring too hard. I just haven't had a chance to actually go home and edit stuff. It's just been too long. So I'm in the rain in Scotland currently. But what exciting things have I got coming up for you guys? Well, I've got a week in Pembrokeshire with a lady, which is incredible, superb weather. Going to little sandy bays, a bit of a swim in the sea. That was an incredible trip. And then I went to north to south of Wales, where I actually visited two friends. That was a superb trip as well, a little micro 4-day mini adventure. And then I managed to go with Andy. We went to Snowdonia, we went to Summit Snowdon, Cadair Idris, and we also kind of played around in Cody Brennan Bike Park, which was quite an eye-opener for a while. I haven't ridden a full sus for a bit. But wait till you see the shots from Snowdon. Incredible. And then now I'm on this trip, which is 12 days around Scotland. Started in Inverness, flew Glenafric, up through a couple of days off-road through Skye, and over to Berneray, the outer Hebrides, and on to Harrison Lewis. We did some off-road stuff there. Was there for 5 days on Harrison Lewis, and then back again to Islepool 2 nights ago. Clamped in my favourite glen last night. Now I'm here in the rain, trying to hack back to Inverness to get the sleeper train, and to get home and get to editing for you guys. So give us a couple of weeks, and I promise there's lots more adventures to come. So until our next adventure together, or the next adventures you get to see together, ciao for now, and thank you for caring, and thanks for watching.